If you're a new creator watching this video, you need to pay attention to every single part of this video, but I'll be sharing with you 5 things that will help you on this your YouTube journey as a new creator. And these 5 tips will help you to build your channel, grow your channel, and even help you to get monetized. This is centered on YouTube growth tips, mainly for YouTube beginners. To get to 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. If that sounds like something you want to know, stay back, go nowhere. The first one right now, if you're starting out on YouTube, please keep the intro. Like, you can do your first channel intro, introducing yourself, who you are, and why you're seeing your YouTube channel. That should be a separate video. That should be a separate video on its own. But after that first channel intro and all of that, and you start posting your subsequent video, you now have to skip that intro. The first 15 seconds of your YouTube video is key. You should be able to spark interest in people, and you should be able to tell them what the video is about. Like, if people are clicking out in the first 15 minutes, it will affect your video. You're still new on YouTube, nobody knows you apart from your family and friends. Don't come and start telling people, hey guys, hello, welcome to my channel, my name is this, I'm here to do this. No, just go straight to the point and tell us what the video is about. People will stay back and watch the video. They may not even watch to the end, but at least they'll watch a greater percentage of the video, and to help YouTube in pushing your video to people. The moment you start that they will click off. They don't know who you are yet. They are still getting to see your face for YouTube. So skip the intro completely. Now, the second tip that will also help you: please don't make long videos. Avoid them as well. In fact, if you know how you avoid plagues, avoid long videos. Don't you might see other creators posting 10-minute video, 20-minute video, and they're getting views, and you are just starting and you want to do the same thing they did. No, it's not the same strategy that will help you get there. There were once new creators like you, and rest assured that they not do the same thing you're trying to do now. They were not posting 15-minute video when they started out. So what you have to focus on creating 4, 5, 6 minutes length of video. The moment you're not getting more subscribers and fans, you can now start getting your video to 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Then eventually you can now start posting the 10 minutes video later on. The third thing that will also help you is please find a nice background. You don't have to have a studio set up and all of those things that will cost you money, trying to make your background fine and beautiful and aesthetic and all of that. You don't have to go all the way if you don't have what it takes. If you don't have the money, if you don't have the tools, you have the equipment, please, you can always make do with a plain background. Look at my plain white background. I'm sitting in my room like this, facing my camera, backing the wall, and even sitting close to the window. And it's nice enough. So you don't have to go extra if you're starting out. Please, the background should be very clear, just like mine. Fine, it will not be a white background, it can be a yellow background, it can be a pink background, just plain. If you don't have money for all those fine shiny background that other people normally do. The most important thing is to give out content, value that comes with content. Very, very simple. Now, this first point is linked to the fifth point I'll also be sharing now. Because you're still new on YouTube or you're still into content creation, I know people always say that once you're filming, you should use your back camera and stuff. I don't know how you want to use back camera when you're still learning content creation. I don't know how you want to use back camera when you don't even know where to keep your camera and where to keep your phone. So please, if you're still starting out on content creation, please use your front camera. Now, I'm recording this video, I'm using my front camera to record this video. My front camera. You see? And the good thing that your front camera will give you a better control over what you're recording. You can actually see yourself recording. Unlike when you're still into content creation and you want to get your back camera, you don't know that you're recording or not recording. You're still a novice, so you're not yet good at that particular thing. So use your front camera as you're starting out. And like I said, the fourth point is linked to the fifth point, which is focus on your lens. Good. Now, how do you intend to focus on your lens when you're not using the front camera? Now, I've seen a lot of content creators when they're recording, need to focus on their lens, like I'm doing right now. They're focusing on the screen. They're looking at themselves, how they're talking, how they're shaking, how they're no. If you're looking at your screen like I'm doing now, by the time you watch the video later on, you notice that you're not looking at your audience, you're looking at yourself all through as you're recording. Now, when you're sure you've mastered recording with your front lens and your front camera, you cannot decide to start using your back camera, which of course is clearer, it's sharper than the front camera. But in the meantime, as you're new to YouTube, you're a beginner, these 5 tips will actually help you. Now, in my next video, I'll be sharing with you the essential tools or gadgets that will help you as a new content creator, as a beginner on YouTube. You don't have to break a bank if you're starting out on YouTube. So depending on wherever you come across this video, check the link on your screen right now to the link to the particular video. Now, thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next one. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification so that you will only get notified whenever I make new videos. I will see you when I see you. Bye.